learning from biblical perspective. Oh my God. As a narcissist abuse survivor, I have the lived experience to encourage us. Oh, you have nice your channel. Thank you so much, Power of Redemption. Power of Redemption done connected. Oh, Power of Redemption, Philmax connected to you. Thank you so much, Sir Philmax. Thank you so much. Thank you so much also for coming in my live, supporting my live. Thank you so much, Power of Redemption. Sir JFC TV. Thank you so much. Power of Redemption, Philmax connected to you. Thank you so much, Sir Philmax. Yan ang live ko. Yan ang live ko, 7:30. Ay, oo! Tudas, nagsasabay kayo nagla-live. Nagpunta rin ako sa live niya kanina, ano? Ay, ano na niyan? Ano nang oras dyan? Pag ganong oras, Sir Philmax, 7:30 AM dito, anong oras dun dyan sa inyo? Sir JFC TV, Power of Redemption, JFC TV channel is, his banner is color yellow. If you click that 10:30 PM dito, araw-araw ka nag-live, Sir Philmax. Kaya sa umaga pagdating, Thank you so much, Power of Redemption. Sir Philmax connected to you. Kaya pala, ay oo, napansin ko, umaga ka nga, Maganda tong, bahay niya, Explore the sound of sight of the stream. You have beautiful channel. Power of Redemption. 1 month ago. Watching this one. Oh, you have ads. Every other day. Galing ka trabaho nun. Nagla-live ka pa. Ang hirap pag may trabaho, sir. Tapos, sabayan mo pa mag-live. Thank you, host and everyone. I will connect back to everyone correctly. Thank you so much, Sir Power of Redemption. Thank you so much. I'm here watching your, explore the sounds and sight of the stream. Kailangan kasi talaga mag-live. Pag di ka mag-live, magbabawas. Thank you. Thank you so much. Diyos ko, Tudas. Ano na naman, abangan ko naman bukas yung mo kanina. Ang ganda yung mo, yung damit mo. Para kang si Princess Diana. Ano kaya bukas ang suot mo? Darna. Biboy! Biboy TV! Nakasanayan na kasi kitang tawaging Tudas. Biboy TV! Salvatore na lang tawag ko sa'yo, mas maganda pa. Oy, mag 3 hours na ako. Wow! Dito lang talaga ako sa live ko bumabawi. Ang liit ng mga views ko sa post ko. 10, 20, 74, ganun lang. Short video pa yun. Anong mag-views mo doon? Wala. Mag-live ka lang talaga ng mag-live.